it, make sure you administer an oath to everyone. Over to you, Secretary.
Honorable Chair, before we do the administration of oaths, I just wanted to bring to your attention that the board is not complete because we have two members who are not present. These are Ms. Chikondi Piri, who is a trustee representing the employer, and we have Mrs. Mwai Meki, Mrs. Mwai Ngombe Meki, who is a trustee representing the employees. So that would be the full membership of the board as it stands now. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Controlling Officer. That shall be recorded accordingly. So many thanks for such an update. Secretary, kindly proceed.
I, Chizaso Eric Nyirongo, do solemnly swear by the Almighty God that the evidence I shall give shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me God.
I, Precious Jimamba, do solemnly swear by the Almighty God that the evidence I shall give shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me God.